Today we are at Dollar Tree and we're
gonna post this on YouTube.
And we are looking for stuff like squishies and slime. So let's go.
Let's go to the toy house. Where I haven't been looking for a toy house.
Yeah, we saw a squishy before and it was a football squishy, so we're gonna try to find some more.
That's not squishy.
Here's the football squishy. I don't think it's even supposed to be a football squishy at all.
It is a football squishy. But we already had that.
I'm sorry if the camera view is weird. Hey, here's one.
What? There's another one.
And here's one too.
I'm gonna buy this, and I'm gonna buy
You're
one
gonna buy
more.
it?
I'm gonna buy one more.
I don't know if you should buy it.
Why?
Cause squishies are my thing.
No, I want to buy
And you
it.
got a squishy the other day and you didn't even play with it. I would get
And buy
something.
this.
I would get something cooler.
I'll buy this and buy something else.
Are you sure you want to buy that? I mean, you can get something cooler.
Mama doesn't care if I buy two things
Yeah.
because it's cheap.
They've got bunches of weird stuff, but I found. I wonder if there's any more. I'm sorry if the camera view is just awful.
Look at this. Hey, they have big armies now.
Do they have any in here? More of a stress ball.
Another alien.
Ew. Looks like art.
That's an alien squishy.
Mm.
And now fun. And
Look at all this stuff up here, and I mean, look at this. It's kind of broke, look, guys. If you squeeze it in the right place, there's holes in it. You sure you want that?
I think you put it like here. Put your finger right here and push it.
Mm-hmm. I'm trying to get away from people. I get creeped out when I'm making a video, and they're there. I'm like, running. They got everything Easter out. Oh, that one's cute. If only they had some more squishies. Oh, bubble egg. I mean, carrots. They should get my Easter bunny should get stuff like this. Like a carrot jump rope. Who doesn't want a carrot jump rope? An old man just looked at me funny. He's like following, laughing. I'm a vlogger. This is the birthday owl. But yeah, they don't have no squishies. We're probably about to end the video here. So, let me find Jackson. Hey.
I'm trying to get this. That's the word.
This?
Yeah.
Alright, you want to say bye to the vlog?
Bye.
Bye.